In the shadowed heart of greed, he found himself consumed by the insatiable hunger for wealth and power. For every horn collected, every tusk harvested, bore witness to the depths of his depravity. With greed as his guide, his aim is true, his heart set on the kill, a chilling testament to his ruthless resolve. A menacing growl startled him from behind, but I couldn't let him kill for greed anymore. The gun intervened. I intervened. The poacher, defenseless, faced swift justice. In the end, nature's silence spoke volumes. The final shot, not taken.